In this guide, I'm going to show you guys hidden trick in iOS 26 that lets you identify objects directly from your screenshots. To begin, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS 26. Once updated, open any app that contains an image. For example, I'm going to open Instagram. Suppose you see a designer's post really like an item in the picture, such as any dress or anything else. You can take the screenshot of that picture. Once the screenshot is captured, use your finger to circle the object you want to identify, in this case the dress. After circling it, simply swipe up and your iPhone will automatically recognize the object and show your search results through Google or Apple's image recognition feature. You can use this same method to identify furniture, clothes, plants, and many more items directly from any image or screenshot. That's it, a quick and easy way to discover objects using your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.